Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. This tutorial is just a quick tutorial on the Picot border that I did this little sample swatch for another video, and I'm going to show how I added the Picot border on this sample swatch here. So beautiful stitch, looks really nice with a nice border. I think the Picot border looks wonderful. So I'm going to add one row of the color that I used for the heart and just inserting my hook somewhere at the corner, whichever corner, and just pulling that pink loop up. And I will chain one and just work around the edge of the project with single crochets. And it's going to be a little bit wonky. I mean, there's not exact definite stitches, just using your best judgment on where the placement of your single crochets are going to go. This is also a great way to not have to weave in a bunch of ends, because who likes doing that? So as you can see, there's not really definite stitches as you work down the sides of the project, just kind of placing the single crochets as best you can without putting too many or too few. And as you come to a corner, you want to place 3 single crochets in the corner. So that was 1. I will count that as 1. And we'll put a second single crochet in the corner and a third single crochet in that corner. Make sure I get that end in there. So holding your ends down so that you're getting those as you crochet along the edges. And feel free to pause the video here. I'm going to place single crochets all the way around the edges, and I will meet you at the end. So I'm just coming to the end of the border with this pink, and we're going to put a slip stitch into that first single crochet. Okay, so here we can kind of clip off any ends that you just weaved into that border. And we can always clean that up later. Alright, so we're going to change color now. So I'm also going to cut this pink, and I'm going to bring in the white. Right, so just pulling that loop through, tug on that first color. So for the Picot stitch border, we're going to single crochet into this first stitch, and then we're going to chain 3, and then that first chain that you made right here, we're going to go into that chain with our hook and just make a slip stitch. So that's just pulling the loop through and then pulling the loop through. And then we're going to skip one and then single crochet into that next stitch. Again, chain 3. Go to that first chain that we made with a slip stitch. skip one, go into that next stitch with a single crochet, chain 3, go into that first chain that we made with a slip stitch, skip one, go into the next stitch with a single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, skip one, single crochet into the next stitch. So that is the repeat. Super simple, super easy, beautiful border. If you are returning to put this border onto this heart pattern, that's great. If you're adding the picot stitch to border to another project, that's awesome. And if you have any questions, add them in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, like, share, and consider subscribing so you never miss a new video.